So, hello guys. So, today I am telling you the 5 most unknown ways to make your first 10,000 rupees. And you think that he's talking YouTube, content writing, freelancing. No, I am not talking about this thing. So, I am talking about which platform where you can find less competition but you have more chances to earn a 10,000. I am just talking about that, but you can earn a lakhs of rupees is from this platform. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So the first platform is Twitter. Yes, you heard it right. I am talking about the Twitter. You think that Twitter is only about retweeting things and commenting on the post, but not. When Elon Musk joined Twitter, he recently launched a monetization program in a Twitter platform, and this monetization program is not very hard to join. If you wanted to join a partners program with Twitter, you want to have just a 500 followers and 2 million post impression in the last 3 months in your account. If you have, so you can easily earn a lot of money from these channels. And second our second platform is Medium. I am sure that you cannot hear about this platform, but it is an article reading platform where people are reading or come and read the article, and the people who list their article in their website or app. Medium is basically pay on the retention of the person who read your article. If a person read your article for 30 seconds or 1.5 minutes, that you will earn a ample of money. There are competition are very less, that minimal in this field, that you can choose a specific category on this article, and if your information is correct and helpful for the people, that they definitely read your article and they can follow your page, and if they become your article subscribe, much more money from this. And the third one is PPT. Yes, you heard it right. Now you can make money from creating PPT also. That many more people are think that we didn't have laptop or desktop, so how we can create a PPT on that. And if we have laptop, then we have taught even a knowledge of people how can we create a creative PPT. Then there is a solution for it. Here is a AI tool. There you can create a very creative PPT. 10 seconds just you can write the prompt and he is creating a very effective and attractive PPT. And you can see that there are a lot of people who are charging 500 to 1000 rupees by just making a PPT. So you can charge less for the people and you get a lot of customer for the freelancing website. And the way is Spotify. In Spotify, you just create a playlist on Spotify, and if you have ample of followers in your playlist, and if someone wanted to promote their song on your playlist, then people are pay $200 to $500 for just promoting their song on your playlist. Then here you can also make a side income. Not really, but there are competition are very high from this particular field because there are a lot of creators who are doing the same. Just wait. So the fifth one, which is my personal favorite, which is Instagram, and I have 21k followers on that. Here the last month I make 1500 rupees sponsorship, the highest sponsorship which I get in last month. Categorize a special page and you can definitely earn a side income for your college fees and etc. If you wanted to know more about the Instagram page, how to create and how to set a category, you can comment down, and I may, if many people comment down, so I make a separate video. If you like that, you can share with your a very specific page, that it is a science student based page, commerce student, yeah, MBA, CA, JE, that you can create these types of page for a specific page. So that you are seeing this, that I am also run a personal my page which is specific to the CA student, and here I get the 6 sponsorship from this particular page